Hi everybody, I hope you're having a great day. I finished up a project and thought I would do a quick walkthrough for you. The angle of my camera is a little bit different this time, so I hope you can see okay and there's not a lot of glare and all that kind of stuff. This is kind of like a stationery caddy type box. The box is not my original tutorial. I will link that in the description box. And this pencil box is not my original idea, so I can link that in the description box also. But I'll just start with the pencil box. It's just made out of paper, and it's the Graphic 45 Love Notes. And this is one that you just push through, and there's a box, and it will hold pencils and pens. And I just wrapped it with some seam binding and then put one of the chipboard cut-aparts. Okay. The Traveler's Notebook is a Graphic 45 book, and I embellished it. So I have some different things on here that kind of make it look a little bit cuter. So I have quite a few layers of paper and matting, so that kind of makes it stand out a little bit more. I hope I, frame. So I have a thin lace here with some flat back pearls. I have a flower with some mini flowers coming out the top and off to the side, this black trim, and then this gold bling trim at the bottom. I had this angel in my stash. It's a chipboard piece. This is from the collection, and then I had these cabochons that had flowers, and I thought, oh, perfect. So there's the front. The side I just put paper on the middle part because of the eyelets and the bands. I didn't want to have to take those off. And then the back I did 2 layers of red and then the paper. Inside it comes with 3 signatures or 3 booklets. So on the inside so far, all I have done is cover the pocket and put some paper in the background. I have a cut apart here with a flower. This is the cover of the first book, which I kind of like it. I kind of like it a lot. This is like a cello, and I have a bow and some pearl trim going caddy corner. 2 papers that I cut to add some different colors to bring out. This was too black, so I had to bring out some red and this cream color. There's a chipboard piece that says music, and then this, it's like a crown. I thought it kind of matched. It could have been a little bit lighter, but this what somebody made that for me with that plasticky stuff. On the inside, I covered the pocket plain so that I could add a cut apart, and then I stuck just a little tag behind there, and then I have some cut aparts in here. I didn't decorate every page, but I did put some stickers throughout the book. So I have one there, and then a couple pages down I have the piano trim. These paper clips are they just have the ribbon attached at the top. The back is similar to the front, the pocket with the cut apart. The next insert, I love this paper. I tried to make this look like a necklace. So this is flat back pearls, a chipboard piece with a little bow. This is popped up. It's got some dimension, the stamp, the postage stamp. Put some trim along the top. There's some 3 banner pieces right here. The inside, covered it, put the cut apart on the L pocket or the corner pocket. A couple stickers here and there. Another one of the paper clips. Like I said, I didn't put stickers on every single page, but I just opened it like every 4th page. I put something on there. Here's the back of the second insert. Holds some more of the cut aparts. I had this pouch that goes in Traveler's Notebooks, and so I will be adding some things in here, whether it be ephemera, stamps, stickers, pens, whatever. And so that's actually a double. You can put an insert in between here, but I just wanted this to be together. And then the last insert has some flowers, some black trim, some of the stickers. Here's the inside. The back is just the piano paper and then the back pocket. So that's the traveler's notebook that goes in the box. I just put this together last night. I just kind of made up the dimensions as I went. So I had, I can't think, resin. I had this resin piece that thought that looked really good with this paper. And then I just have a little rose down here. I have a ribbon closure, a metal flower, some of that trim to tie it in with the book. I have a leaf here that's a fabric leaf. I cut apart. So this is a magnetic pocket, and then when you open it, it will hold some of your cut aparts. It's an accordion pocket, so there's some depth to it. And then when you untie it, I wanted a place to hold like stickers or letters or receipts even. So here's two more of the paper clips. And I just covered the pockets with paper. And right now I'm just storing some of the cut aparts in there. I hope that's easy to see. And then the back page is a L pocket, so it's cut off at a diagonal, holding some of the cut aparts. Then I placed another pocket at the bottom of the L pocket and put some cut aparts, have some lace trim, chipboard piece with a little bit of that ribbon on there. Okay, so that goes in the box. And then finally the box itself. So this tutorial is by Country Craft Creations, and like I said, I'll link that in the description box, but it's a perfect size. It's a good weight. There is a base so that it's more sturdy. In the bottom, I just put more paper. Have that pearl trim, flower, more trim, some pearl effects. The chipboard piece has pearls on the two edges. Another chipboard piece with a resin flower, some leaves, some pearls. And then here's the inside. I don't know if you see that very well. And then the back is plain. I just have that trim along the top. So I thought that would make a cute stationery type caddy to store my traveler's notebook and the supplies I use with it. And like I said, I can link two of the tutorials, this box and this pencil box I will link. This was my own creation that I put together. It's pretty easy. And then this is the Graphic 45 Traveler's Notebook. So loved making it, loved putting it together. I bought more of these notebooks to make with different paper. I think it'll be a great gift idea. Thanks, guys. Comments are welcome. A thumbs up is always welcome. Subscribing is always welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Thanks.